Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start generating quality traffic to your website, to your product, to your system, or to any affiliate offer within hours and potentially make your first sale within 24 hours. If you follow this step-by-step plan, you are approved to make a sale within 24 hours, whether you're promoting a ClickBank product, a Digistore 24 product, JVZoo product, whether it's your product and system. Remember, my name is Lukman Mami and I have helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have gone on to make multiple 6 and 7 figures online. Some of my students have become mentors and coach. If you follow my steps, follow my recommendation, I assure you, your life is never going to be the same again. Okay, I have generated over $1 million online, and now I am helping others do the same. All right, I am sharing my business insider secrets with a strategy plan that I'm giving away with reseller license, which means you can earn unlimited $100 payments straight into your bank account or PayPal account. Okay, if you want to learn what I do, how I do it, and what type of traffic sources I am using, my daily routine, you can do exactly the same and start getting insane amounts of results and make thousands of dollars in commissions every single month. Okay, I'm going to have all the links in my description box below this video. I'm also going to pin the link in the comment section box below this video. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button. Okay, make sure you leave a comment, click the share button, share this video with the people you care, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Now, before I dive into this traffic network and show you how to buy the best traffic to start receiving quality visitors to any affiliate offer and also start making sales, you need to remember, traffic is the king in this online business. If you learn how to get traffic and learn how to convert that traffic, you will able to print your own paychecks. And this is not, I'm just hyping up. This is the truth. Learn how to get traffic. Expert yourself in traffic generation. It could be one traffic source, it could be any traffic source, but make yourself an expert. I know some people who are generating millions of dollars every single month and every single year because they know how to get traffic. So learn how to get traffic. Now, in this video, I'm sharing only one traffic network, and I'm sharing how to buy the best traffic and how to get conversions from that traffic within 24 hours. Obviously, if you buy traffic from the best person, most likely you're going to get conversions if you have a good offer on the other side. So let's dive into this. Now, before I get into the traffic network, let me share something with you. Check this. Do you want to get results like this? Hey? Is this the type of results you're looking for? This is the money you can generate as well. Okay, this is my screenshot, all right, from one of the income streams from many, all right, and I could give you proof after proof after proof of how I have generated over $1 million online. So if you follow my steps and follow my recommendation, your life is never going to be the same again. Okay, so if you want to get something results like this, okay, and you want to see results like this, I do share the insider secrets of a daily routine that you can use and you can do and promote any affiliate product out there. Okay, it's called the Fast Profit Strategy Manual that I am giving away with resale rights, which means you get to sell it and earn 100% profit. All right, so where I share all of this in my strategy manual on how to make money just like this using different type of methods, proven and tested. You can use this to promote any product. You can use this method to do anything. Okay, so let's dive into this video. Okay, so the traffic source is Udemy. Now, you probably heard about Udemy so many times, but you probably don't know one secret about this traffic network. There are some people on this traffic network that has very, very, very good quality traffic. I know one person on this traffic network that one of my friends bought traffic from this guy, and he made over $6,000 in commissions with ClickBank. Okay, so don't just think everyone is the same. There are different type of people, different type of traffic providers. If you know how to buy traffic, if you know how to select the right person, you can get very, very good quality traffic to your affiliate offer. And in this video, I am going to share the best person, the good people to find, so you can buy traffic today and start seeing results today. By the way, joining this network is free. Link popping up right on your screen. Go to this website address right now and open up your free account. Okay, it doesn't cost you a dime. Just open up your free account and then watch this video and follow along so you can find the best of the best person to get traffic. Also, remember that once you have joined this network, you can ask me any questions through the messaging service. Okay, so you can ask me if you have a landing page, which is highly recommended. You can send me your landing page to review it, and I will review the landing page for free and give you the best recommendations. Okay, so let's get into this and let me show you how to buy the best person, how to find the best person to get good quality traffic. So first of all, you're going to go here and you're going to go to solo deals. Okay, now this is a traffic network related to email traffic. Okay, so basically you pay money to someone, he's going to send an email to people who are interested in learning how to make money online or related to other niche, and then you're going to receive traffic and you're going to build a list. Okay, so we're going to look at one of these people. So let's just look at this guy here. Over 3,000 happy clients, buyers including 80% got saved, 9 years Udemy. Okay, let's just check this out. 40 cents per click. He is sending some cheap traffic here. So let's just check this person out. So now you're going to see that this person is from Canada. Okay, he's a Prime member. He was online an hour ago. He's been a member for 9 years. And if you just hover your mouse to anything, guess what? Udemy will explain everything to you. So I'm going to hover my mouse here and it's telling me exactly what this means. 60% means 60% people have reported they got sales from this guy's traffic. 17% are repeated customers. Okay, over 3,321 rating people have rated him. Okay, if I scroll down, you could see the maximum he can send traffic is up to 3,000 clicks. Okay, divided into 10 different orders, right? So I think that's like what is it? I think, okay, I don't want to do the math. You can do the math yourself. Okay, so you want to always start off with minimum 300 clicks. Okay, you don't want to get crazy. You want to start off with 300 clicks, and then if you made a sale, even if it's one sale, even if you didn't make any profit or anything, but you just made a sale, because right now what we're focusing on is we are focusing on list building. We want to build a list. We want subscribers. Okay, so don't worry about money in the beginning. Okay, we want to build that list and get to at least 10,000 subscribers, because that's where the money is. Okay, the magic number. So focus on list building. So in the beginning, what we want is, even if you just made one sale, even though we didn't break even, we didn't make profit, it just proves that this person has very good quality traffic. So what we're going to do, we're going to come back and then buy 500 clicks. If we made another one more sale, at least one more sale, we're going to come back and put 750 clicks. And if you made a sale again, we're going to buy 1,000 clicks, and then go on and on. And this is how you're going to scale your business with traffic generation. You need to repeatedly buy traffic after traffic after traffic. Just buying it one time is not going to help. Remember that this is very, very important. Okay, a lot of people buy one-time traffic and expect to make millions. It doesn't happen like that. You need to keep on advertising your links, your business, keep on driving traffic, keep on building that list and growing your list. Take it to 1,000 subscribers, 5,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, and even 20,000 subscribers. So this is very, very important. You just don't want to buy 300 clicks and then done. You want to buy 300 clicks, then you want to buy 500 clicks, then you want to buy 1,000 clicks. That's how you scale your business. And also remember, before buying traffic, make sure you have your autoresponder ready. You have your email follow-ups ready, because that's where the money is. Now, if you don't know what autoresponder is, if you don't know what email follow-up is, just leave a comment for me and I will create a separate video on this, teaching you how to get a good autoresponder, how to add your email follow-ups. Okay, I have already recorded a video on this. You could check my previous tutorials, but for any reason, if you can't find it, just leave a comment and I will create a video on that. Okay, so you need to remember that. Okay, so let's dive into this. You're going to buy 300 clicks. And what about if you didn't make money? Now, if you didn't make money, you didn't waste any money. Why? Because the focus is list building, not money. So that doesn't mean this guy's traffic is not good. It could be several reasons why you didn't make money. Either you didn't make money because the offer is not good, your follow-ups are not good, etc. So it could be millions of reasons, all right? But just because we want to stay on the safe side, if you didn't make any money with 300 clicks, you want to find another guy and start buying traffic from another guy. And this is how you're going to test different people until you find a winner. And one winner is more than enough to make you a millionaire. Remember that, okay? So, 300 clicks. You're going to put your link here, landing page URL here. You're going to select Prime Filter. You're going to select only top tier English speaking countries. And then you're going to scroll down and click on continue and buy the traffic. Remember that, okay? Now, but before buying traffic, you need to look at a couple of things, okay? So this is what we're looking for. Very, very important, okay? So you can see all these comments. Can you see this here? Got sales. We're looking for got sales in the last 30 days from our current date. So this person got sale in 26 August 2023. Oh my word, I don't want to buy traffic from this person, okay? I'm looking for got sales, minimum 5 got sales in the last 30 days. That's my criteria. Okay, so let me look into this guy here and let's see what he is. He's got 60% rating, 23%. This guy's from Sweden. I want to go down. I could see that this person's got a got sale. Okay, 27 March. Just over a month ago. Okay, not good. So I'm going to keep on looking for someone that has got sales in the last 30 days. Minimum 5. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So keep on searching. Let's go to this guy. I know this person. This person's got very good traffic. Okay, he's very popular as well. A lot of people have made money from this guy's traffic. But, okay, he got sale on 9 April, which was just 20 days ago. Got a sale on 4 April. Let's see, 31 March. Okay, we so far got 4. Okay, the 5th one got sale comes just above 30 days. Okay, so I would not buy traffic if it was someone else, but because I know this person and he's very popular and he has very good quality traffic, I will just work with this guy even though he only has 4 got sales in the last 30 days. Okay, so you're going to keep on searching for that winner guy. All right, remember that. That's the key. So what is the key here? First, you want to start off with 300 clicks. If you made at least 1 sale, even though you didn't make profit, you want to buy then 500 clicks, then you want to buy 750 clicks, then 1000 clicks, and then you're going to keep on buying traffic until you continue to make at least minimum 1 sale. Now you might be saying, hey, but I'm losing money, I'm not making any profit. Remember, you're in a business. In the beginning, you're going to lose a bit of money. That's how the business works, because your focus is building a list. You want to build that list to minimum 10,000 subscribers, because that's the magic number. That's when you're going to make a lot of money, and that's when you're going to have enough money to go back and reinvest and scale your business to $50,000 and $100,000. Remember that. Very, very important. So in the beginning, be ready to lose a bit of money. Take that risk. You will thank me later for this, okay? So once you hit that 10,000 subscribers, then you're going to start making a lot of money because you have a list. You're going to send emails out, and then you're going to have enough money to reinvest back, okay? So Then once you find a winner, you're going to continue to work with that person, and simultaneously you're going to find another guy as well. And then you could buy 2-3 traffic packages from 2-3 different people at the same time and run traffic campaigns. And this is how you're going to build your list rapidly fast, get to 10,000 subscribers, and then you're going to have so much money coming in if you do everything the correct way, so you can reinvest, grow that list, and take your 10,000 subs to 50,000 subs and 100,000 subs. Okay, so this is how this whole business works. Okay, this is how you do business. This is how everything you need to be doing. Right, so that's all for now. Link is in my comment section box to join this traffic network for free and to go through this and start buying traffic. Don't wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Okay, if you have questions, just send me a message on this network and I will answer your questions. Okay, and if you want to learn my insider business secrets on how I and how the top gurus are making thousands of dollars with 0 followers and 0 experience, then you need to buy the Fast Profit Strategy Manual. You're going to get resale rights to it as well, so you can start earning 100% profit. Okay, it's very affordable, very cheap. You can buy it right now before the price goes up. I'm going to have the link for that as well in the description box below this video and in the comment section box below this video.